Japan is a lovely country boasting friendly people, amazing pop culture, a rich history, and beautiful natural landscapes. Are you interested in owning a slice of Japan? Whether it's a holiday home in the heart of Tokyo, a peaceful retreat near Mount Fuji, or an investment property in a thriving market, the good news is that foreigners can buy real estate in Japan. In this video, we'll break down exactly how you can do it, from navigating the legal landscape to understanding the financial steps. Why invest in Japan? So why choose Japan to buy property in? Japan is known for its unique blend of culture, stability, and convenience. It's a country with one of the world's lowest crime rates, high standard of living, and an efficient public transport network, all of which make it appealing to investors and residents alike. Not to mention that the current depreciation of the yen makes it an excellent investment opportunity. Additionally, Japan's real estate market offers a range of property options, from bustling urban apartments to serene countryside homes. And while Japanese real estate values may differ from other countries, the market here is incredibly diverse, giving buyers a wide variety of choices. This video is designed for people living outside of Japan who are looking to find a holiday home or investment home in Japan, those considering relocating to Japan and wanting to understand the process. Ownership and types of properties in Japan. One of the first things you need to know about buying property in Japan as a foreigner is that you have almost the same ownership rights as a Japanese citizen. That's right, foreigners can purchase property in Japan outright with full ownership rights over the land and buildings. However, one thing to keep in mind is that purchasing real estate here won't grant you residency or a visa. Even if you own property, you'll still need to follow regular visa requirements if you plan to spend extended periods in Japan. Types of properties available. Now, let's talk about property types. Japan offers a variety of options for buyers, including individual condominiums. These are popular throughout Japan, especially in urban areas. Condos are a good choice if you're looking for low-maintenance living in a city. Whole buildings. Investors may be interested in purchasing whole buildings for the steady stream of rental income. There are whole buildings made of wood, which are called apartments, or buildings made of reinforced concrete, which are called mansions or mansion in Japanese, detached homes. If you're seeking a standalone property with a bit of land, you can find a variety of Japanese houses, from traditional Japanese homes known as minka, modern single-family homes, or large, luxurious villas. Land only. Buying just the land is also an option if you're planning to build your own property or develop it in the future. Be aware that Japan's zoning laws might impact what you can build and how the property can be used. What other steps to buying property in Japan? Once you've decided to buy property in Japan, there are some key steps to follow. Here's a simplified overview. 1. Define your budget and goals. Start by setting a budget and knowing your purpose. Are you looking for a holiday home, an investment property, or a potential future residence? 2. Research locations and types of properties. Decide where in Japan you want to buy. Each city or region has unique features, and property types can vary significantly by area. 3. Find a real estate agent. A bilingual real estate agent can make a big difference in navigating Japan's real estate market. They'll help you understand the local area and guide you through the process. 4. Start the property search. Your agent will then show you properties that meet your criteria. Don't hesitate to ask questions about nearby amenities, building age, and access to public transport. 5. Make an offer. Once you've found the right property, your agent can help you make an offer to the seller. 6. Explanation of important matters, contract signing, and deposit payment. Your agent will draw up the contracts and guide you through the process. The explanation of important matters will be read to you by a licensed real estate transaction specialist. You will also need to pay an earnest money deposit. 7. Close and title transfer. Pay the remaining balance and other closing-related fees. The judicial scrivener will then register for the title transfer of the property. With these steps, you'll be prepared to take the next steps in your Japan property journey. How to choose a good property in Japan. Choosing the right property in Japan involves several considerations. Location, location, location. Proximity to transit is key, especially if you plan to rent it out. Being near a train station or within easy access of major city centers can make the property much more desirable. Building age, quality, and hazards. Japan has stringent building codes for earthquake safety, especially for newer buildings. Properties built after 1981 follow the latest standards, making them safer. You will also need to check if your property lies in a potential hazard zone for landslides, flooding, tsunamis, etc. Neighborhood and amenities. Look for nearby essentials like convenience stores, grocery stores, healthcare facilities, schools, and parks, especially if you're planning to spend extended time here. Investment potential. If you're purchasing as an investment, it's essential to consider areas with high rental demand. Cities like Tokyo, Osaka, and Yokohama tend to offer stable rental markets, but be aware that appreciation in Japan can differ from other countries. These factors can help you make a more informed choice that aligns with your lifestyle and investment goals. Challenges and considerations for foreigners. Language barrier. Most real estate documents, contracts, and transactions are conducted in Japanese. Many agents and bank representatives may have limited English proficiency, making translation support essential. Maintaining the property from overseas. Japan has a humid climate which can lead to mold and mildew in properties. It is advisable to periodically clean and air your property and make sure that the plumbing drains properly. Rental regulations. Short-term rentals, such as Airbnb, have strict regulations under Japanese minpaku law, and some areas have banned short-term rentals altogether. Local customs and etiquette. Japan places a high value on following social norms and etiquette. For example, not sorting the garbage properly can lead to resentment and misunderstandings with your neighbors. We here at Mr. Land can guide and help you through these issues so that you can buy property in Japan with confidence. Conclusion. We hope this video has given you a clear overview of what it takes to buy property in Japan as a foreign resident. The process can be a bit different from what we might be used to, but with the right information and support, owning your dream home in Japan is absolutely possible. Whether you're looking for a holiday home, a potential relocation property, or an investment opportunity, Japan offers unique real estate options that might be the perfect fit for your goals. If you're interested in learning more or have specific questions about buying property in Japan, feel free to leave your comments below. At the Global Division of Mr. Land Real Estate, we're here to guide you every step of the way, from property search to closing and beyond. You can find more information on our website, mrland-tokyo.com, and explore the various services we offer to make purchasing property in Japan as smooth as possible. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming content. We'll be sharing more insights on topics like financing, property management, and navigating the unique aspects of Japanese real estate. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you make your dream of owning a home in Japan a reality.